Good day, everybody. BB Venture is going to train us on how to design paper mat fascinator. You need your paper mats that you are going to use to design, glue gum, binding wire, scissors, the feather and the rows you are going to use, the plier, the sellotape, tape rule, and needle and thread. This is the fascinator that you have made. You cut the leftover, then you leave 0.5. You leave 0.5 at the edge of it. Let's take our wire, put your wires together, put it inside the fascinator mode and make sure it's tight inside it. To bring it out and sellotape it. We have sellotaped our binding wire, put it inside the mold. Look at it very well. Then take your glue gum, put your glue gum at the edge of the paper mat and see, then gum it. We have gummed the wire and the paper mats together. That's it. Then take your paper mats that you are going to use to design. Here you need your tape rule to measure what you are going to use. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut cone. My size, I'm going to measure 7 by 7. I've cut the size. Then you put your glue gum around the paper mat. Fold it in triangular triangular shape. Put your gum here, one side of the design. Then look at my hand, join it together. Until it's dry. The shape of the mouth of the cone must come out well. You can use your scissors to trim it to bring the shape out. Can you see it? We're going to use 5 of these. You can see we have cut the cone shape that we are going to use to design the fascinator. And make sure that your design form at the round circle. At times, if you are using feather or you are using some other thing, you can use it to form a round circle, or make sure that the design come out well. Your arrangement is well formed. can see my arrangement. Then take your rose or feather that you are going to use to design it. You can gum it with your gum. You can see our arrangement. Look at it. Then it's time for you to put your Alice band. To put your Alice band, you can use your wax candle. You can tack it and put your gum. Put your Alice band. The Alice band has been faced. Then you put your bias to cover this nakedness there.